When we moved onto our boat about 5 years ago, I was wondering how we were going to keep our pictures up on the walls without crashing down in the movement of the boat. And this is the solution, the adhesive Velcro roll. I use them to stick the photos onto the shelves and onto the walls. They sometimes move back and forth on this shelf here, but as you can see, we're in rough seas and they didn't move back and forth at all. The one actually fell because it's an old piece of Velcro that doesn't stick anymore. But you can see how much we are moving. There's the lights and the bell are both on gimbals. You can see here how the shade is moving back and forth with the movement of the boat. Again, the pictures here on the shelf did not move at all. They did not rock because I have them stuck down with stick-on Velcro. They come in a roll of one of each, the soft side and the loop side. And for some reason, we always run out of one side more than the other. But here's the two sides and the sticky on the back. You just cut the length you want and pull the sticky off the back, which is really great. We've put tape on it so it doesn't fall, make a mess when it's in our storage container. So this is one of the clocks that we have on the wall, and I've just put the Velcro on the back of the soft side, and I have the other side stuck onto the wall, and I just press it in and it stays. And I've also used it here on our doors so that they don't go moving around in the movement either. And here's the clock on the wall there. It is not moving at all when we are moving in the rough seas. We don't have to worry about taking everything down, laying down the pictures that we have up on the display on the shelves. Everything just stays. It's so much nicer just to not have to remember to put everything away when we move. I highly recommend using stick-on Velcro to secure your photos or anything, vases, anything you don't want to go moving around when you're living on a boat or in an RV. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.